also getting you now a breaking reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party on this rift within the Agadi alliance. After the Samna editorial slammed Congress, BJP's Ram Kadam has said that you've got these allies talking about a bed that's making noise, but sadly, they're not concerned about patients dying in Maharashtra due to the lack of beds in hospitals. BJP has also said that the Agadi is busy only thinking about beds and chairs. It's also worth a thought that after so much of insult, is there any self-respect really left for the Congress and the NCP? So the BJP wading into this political controversy there and questioning the Mahavikas Aghadi and their priorities at a time when the state is battling COVID. These allies are also at war. This is BJP's Ram Kadam who's come out with this statement saying that there's no self-respect really left between the Congress and the NCP. He's also saying that while the Shiv Sena is busy taking jibes at the Congress, there's a lack of beds in Maharashtra that people of the state are having to deal with. This comes at a time when the Shiv Sena has taken a jibe at the Congress. It's a sense of deja vu really, because the Shiv Sena has done this so often while in an alliance with the BJP. Now they've chosen to also take on their ally at the moment, Congress, saying that they should stop coming out and airing their grievances about the alliance in public. Let's go across to Pankaj Upadhyay. He's joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. So Pankaj, this political controversy now snowballing, considering you have the BJP now saying and questioning what exactly the priorities of this alliance are.
Yes, and this is a very interesting development. If you see the timing of the editorial, right before the senior Congress leaders were to meet the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Now the Congress leaders say they have displeasure on many fronts. One, they say that the Chief Minister meets NCP leader Sharad Pawar every now and then. We've seen how Sharad Pawar has been very vocal with his demands, be it during the lockdown period, be it during the current COVID crisis, or even about the issues of reviving the economy. So NCP and Sharad Pawar have been drawing political mileage out of it. Congress feels that it is not getting enough interactions with the chief ministers, one. Secondly, the Congress feels that it is not getting enough support from the bureaucracy on many fronts. Now, it is hinting that when the government was formed 6 months back, it was decided that there is going to be equal distribution of power, which the Samna editorial clearly denies, and it says that Shiv Sena has made many sacrifices, and whatever is the final order of the Chief Minister, that has to be abided by. Now, Congress party's senior leaders are expressing their displeasure here. Revenue Minister Balasaheb Thorat, who is also the State Congress Party chief. Political heavyweight Ashok Chauhan expressing their displeasure, going to the extent of saying that keeping BJP out should not be seen as weakness of the Congress party. So going by the current flow of events, it is clear that all is not well with the MVA, and a lot depends on the meeting of the Congress senior leaders with the Chief Minister and how they resolve the issue.
All right, Pankaj, thank you for joining us with all those updates.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.